Hey, what's up guys? Jackson here at Toasted DIY, and today we're checking out these Dezctop Db160. Let's get to building.
So Dezctop was nice enough to send this awesome desk over, and our good friend McAllister, there he is right here, put this thing all together. Yeah, let's just cut to that footage real quick.
Hey there, McAllister here. I built the desk, and honestly, I have the building skills of like a deaf, dumb, and blind beaver, and honestly, that might be an insult to beavers still. With that being said, I was still able to put this desk together. The only real issue I ever had at some points were when I was screwing in, some of these things needed to be really almost like pre-threaded. I had to go through and, screw it in with nothing in the way and then go back and re-screw it. But after, a few tries, you see I kind of got the hang of it and the thing started coming together. I had to do it on 2 separate days. It took me about, an hour total, but I got a little tired on the one day and I got a headache, so I moved on. But other than that, the thing was pretty sturdy, easy to build. Even I could do it. It took a little bit of help occasionally, but other than that, you could build this thing on your own pretty quick.
So as you can tell, putting this thing together takes a little bit of time, but McAllister said it wasn't too awful, was it? It's pretty easy. But yeah, what do you like about this desk? Give me your impressions.
I mean, honestly, as a fellow builder myself, of PCs and tools and cars, I really like having these back here, which are cable raceways essentially. They have really large pouches too, so you could fit some power bricks in there if you wanted to and have your chargers sitting up here or even on any of these convenient shelves. We have a switch holder, so this is obviously kind of marketed towards the electronics enthusiast because obviously cable raceways, you have shelves, you have a Nintendo Switch holder, you have a cup holder down here, which is pretty rad. You even have a headphone holder. We got ours in the black color scheme, but you could also get white. One of my favorite features about this is the fact that this desk is modular. You can actually take these guys off and put them pretty much anywhere you want, and you can buy additional accessories on their website, so make sure you check the links in the description down below. But I think for this desk, we're probably going to either use it as like a build station over at our other business PC Bros, or we'll even use it on our live streams if we can find a good place to put it. But hey, I'm gonna enjoy putting my Starbucks in that cup holder in the morning.
So if you guys want to pick this thing up, once again, use the link in the description down below. Special thanks again to Dezctop for sending this thing over. Really nice desk, definitely worth getting if you're wanting to upgrade your work from home gaming or whatever mod setup you might have. Really awesome, looks great, link down below. Thanks for watching, subscribe, Toasted DIY, and yeah.
I should have darted the camera.